لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
The non-Muslim brother there? We have a non-Muslim brother there? Yes. Okay, go ahead.
My name is David. I'm studying in 6th standard. My question is, why non-Muslim children are not allowing in your school to join? They can learn Arabic and become Muslims also.
They can learn Arabic and become Muslims also. Alhamdulillah.
Young brother David, age 9 years old, asking the question, why are non-Muslim children not allowed to enter your school so that they can learn Arabic and they can accept Islam? Brother asked a very difficult question to me, one of the most difficult questions. Brother, our school, Islamic International School, it's a school that is mainly talking about the formal education and Islamic education. We don't want to make our school as a conversion center because children entering at a very small age, we don't want people to say that Zakir is enrolling people of 6 years old and 9 years old and forcing them to accept Islam. What we would like to say that if your parents are convinced about the faith of this religion and if they want to put you in this school, we have no problem. But a child himself comes, may Allah give you hidayah, I can pray. I cannot say that a child cannot accept Islam, it's wrong, he can. But what I would like to say, that if your parents come and if they're ready to follow the rules and regulation of the school, then we have no problem in accepting you. So ask your parents to come to our school and the rules and regulations that are there are many rules and regulations. As long as they do not mind following the rules and regulations, attending our lectures, reading the Quran, you want to learn Arabic, you want to accept, there's no problem. See to it that because they have to follow the law of the country also. Ask your parents, let them come, let them interact with the management, and if they agree with the rules and regulations, inshallah, I'm sure there will not be any problem, especially you, brother, because I've asked the question. To get in the school is difficult. To get into Islamic International School is one of the most difficult. But inshallah, because you have asked the question, ask your parents to meet Brother Zakir. And inshallah, if they agree to follow the rules and regulations, admission will be very easy, inshallah. For you, inshallah.